There's a new scam targeting real estate agents, and it's getting more sophisticated. Here's what you need to know to protect yourself and your clients. Scammers are creating Instagram accounts using real agent names and professional headshots. They pose as exclusive rental agents, posting listings that look completely legitimate but are completely fake. Then they pressure renters to send security deposits through apps like Zelle or Venmo before disappearing with the money. If this happens to you, it's critical to act fast, so here's what you need to do. Step 1. Notify your sales manager immediately. Send them the fake account names, the links, the screenshots so that the incident can be tracked and addressed. Step 2. Report the account. Both you and your sales manager should report the profile directly on Instagram for impersonation and fraud. Multiple reports help speed things up. And finally, step 3, you want to file a police report. If someone has been scammed or the account keeps coming back, this creates an official record that helps protect you moving forward. If a client reaches out to you, or worse, has already sent money, here's how you can help. Tell them to contact their bank or payment app right away to try to stop the transaction. You want to direct them to official resources like the FBI IC3 website and the FTC to file a report. And lastly, document everything. And I mean everything. Messages, emails, receipts, and screenshots. Staying alert and acting quickly can make all the difference. Protect your brand and protect your clients. And when in doubt, report it right away. Scammers are evolving, so should your awareness. Stay safe, stay informed, and thanks for watching.